Today, I'm going to be showing you the easiest method on how to use the Prism launcher for Minecraft. It's very simple, so if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So all you want to do first is you actually want to download Prism launcher. So just head on over to Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and search up Prism launcher. Click on the first link, which is prismlauncher.org. We're going to press download now. Then you're going to be prompted to this section here. You want to download the 64-bit installer.exe. Once it's downloaded, you can see it right here, the Windows setup launcher. It's going to take you to this. You just want to press next, download anything that you want to, for example, a desktop shortcut as well. Press next again, download it to wherever you want. Press install, and then once it's done, it's going to ask you if you would like to run the Prism launcher. Just select yes, press finish, and then this is a very important step, but it asks you to add a Microsoft account. This is to prove that you actually own Minecraft, as you can't use the Prism launcher if you actually don't own Minecraft. Then once you've proved that you own Minecraft, you're going to be on this screen right here. Now to get started, all you want to do is go over to the top left where it says add instance. It's going to show you a bunch of different versions, and the latest one, you can see it released on the 17th of July 2025, is 1.21.8 at the time of recording this video. Just press OK. And it's going to be right here. You can even go to add instance. Let's go to something like Curse Forge. It's going to show you all the different mods that you could also download. For example, you can download all the mods, ATM 10, press OK, and it's going to be downloading the mod pack. As simple as that. It's really simple to use. You can do things like launch this version of Minecraft. You can edit, change group, folder, even export this. So if you want to, send it to a different launcher or send it to someone, you can also do that as well. Copy, delete, and another cool thing is you can actually create a shortcut. And this is really good because it will just be straight on your desktop, which means you won't have to always, just open the Prism launcher. You can just like anything you want, you can just have it on your desktop, and it's just a lot easier to open Minecraft this way. But that's it. It's really easy to do. And there is so much functionality that you can have with this whenever you want to download any mods or use anything different.